4.1 ratios, I can understand what a ratio is.
Thank you, Eric. Does everyone know what a ratio is?
Yeah.
What is a ratio? Somebody tell me what a ratio. Oh, hands in the air like you just do not care. Love it. Jocelyn, what's a ratio?
A relationship between two numbers.
It is a relationship between two numbers. Two numbers that have a relationship. There is some sort of connection between those two. Excellent. So sliding down, you can write ratios 3 ways. Can somebody tell me the 3 ways that we can write a ratio? Cicero.
A colon.
You can use a colon.
A to B.
You can use the word 2.
And a fraction.
Or you can use a fraction bar. Yes, no? Or all 3 of them doing the exact same thing.
Yes.
Does it even matter which one you use?
No.
Not unless it specifically tells you which one to use, it being the directions, you're good. Number 3. So I asked you for main idea number 3, note 5. I asked you, what is the relationship or the ratio? I guess what I did there? Ratio is the relationship, right? What is the relationship between circles and rectangles up there? And you guys all said the relationship is how many circles?
4.
To how many rectangles?
6.
6. You must always do what with ratios? They must always be in the count of 3, 1, 2, 3.
Simplified.
They must be simplified. So that's why you're seeing us answering this in 3 different ways. I just answered 3 different ways to show you that all 3 mean the same thing. You don't have to answer all 3 ways. Just one. One is good. All right, so B is just another version of what we did. Number 6. I asked you to take this answer right here, which was another ratio, and turn it into a decimal. So you guys actually grabbed the simplified version of 4/10, and you said, well, Mr. Pottinger, a decimal is simply a fraction divided, right? So you took 2 and you divided it by 5. So 2 divided by 5, and you found out the answer was what?
4.
4/10, right? Because a fraction is simply a
Division.
problem. And then number 7, same thing. Mr. Mills went shopping. You guys learned that he bought some fruit. We asked you what the relationship between the fruit was. Specifically, I wanted to know how many kiwi and oranges he bought. And you guys said he bought how many?
20.
And I wanted to know how many pineapples and apples he bought. And you guys said he bought.
7.
So the relationship was 20 to.
7.
And then I even asked you to turn that into a decimal. And you're like, easy, Mr. Pottinger, because 20 to 7 is a fraction. 20 over 7 would just be another way of writing it. And we just used our fraction to make a division problem right there. And can you use a calculator to do that now?
Yes.
Oh my golly. The trickiest part is which number goes inside the box and which number goes outside the box, right? But you guys know the top number goes in and the bottom number goes
Out.